Hello friends, welcome to our channel Accomplish IAS. Determination, dedication, destination. First we will discuss about our initiative. In this initiative, through our channel, we will provide you a videos or PDF or PPT format regarding UPSC exam. And length of these each video will be between 8 to 10 minutes. Maybe there will be increasing of 2 or 3 minutes because our main aim will be cover the topic or provide you useful and complete data about my a map section means this section. In this section we will try to cover a map based or location based data in on the weekly basis, means this video or regarding the map will be uploaded on Saturday night or most probably on Sunday, and it consists of geography location like river, mountain, city, etc, environment, species and its location, like recently subterranean fish cave was found in Meghalaya, tribe and festival like Rehang tribe from Tripura, anything one word specific or important from UPSC point of view. In case if anything is skipped, it will be covered in another section of video. So guys, please join us and support us. Your feedback will provide us a new form of energy. So please share share our videos and channel and join us on Telegram group. Let's start. So recently China seek India support for its new law. So China claimed one country and one policy over the Hong Kong, Macau and Taiwan, whereas Hong Kong and Macau claim one country two policy. And it has been news since last year June 2019. So it is very important from the UPSC point of view. UPSC may ask to locate these places and may ask to arrange this in north to south and south to east direction. Look at the map first. Always look with respect to India. So we have to go in the east. In the east there is South China Sea. Look at that, Hong Kong is visible now, and just at the near Macau. Okay, Parcel Island and Spratly Island. These two are also in news because China's conflict with Vietnam, Brunei and Malaysia and Philippines. Okay, look at this. This is also Sulu Sea and Celibacy. UPSC asked to arrange. Let's move to next topic. Look at that. It also provide this in the form of pic. Parcel Islands north of South China Sea, Macau, Hong Kong, Philippines, Taiwan, Spratly Island, okay, Celibacy, Solo Sea. Let's move to the next two. Manipur Khuddol. Recently, Manipur state government follow the NGO model, which is a Yahal, and set up a quarantine center. Simply, UPSC asked Khuddol is related to which state? It is Manipur. Manipur Khuddol among the top 10 global initiative for inclusive fight against the COVID-19 pandemic by United Nations Secretary General. And okay, and what is a Khuddul? UPSC may ask and give four option to choose one correct. So Khuddul is a crowdfunded initiative by the Institute of or NGO Yahal, Imphal based, and they had created a India's first transgender football team. Okay, let's move to the next topic. So Khuddul was belong to the Manipur. India and Nepal fighting over the Kalapani. Kalapani is located on the Uttarakhand Pithoragarh district. Look at the location first. This is Kalapani location, just northeast of the Uttarakhand, attached to the Tibet autonomous region of China and Nepal. Means Nepal has two tri-junction with India and China. And in 1816, Sogoli Treaty signed by Nepal and British India identified Kali River has a Nepal boundary with India, and Nepal claimed the river to Kalapani west is the main Kali, and thus Nepal has territorial right to it. So simply important location are Lipu Lake, Kalapani, Limpeadura. Right now the area is in India control, but Nepal claimed the region because of historical and cartographic reason. Look at this region: Limpeadura, Kalapani and Lipu Lake. Lipu Lake is very important for transmit transport migration, and there is a movement of understanding between China and India with Nepal over this region. Another was in news is Katkari tribe, which is belong from the Maharashtra and Gujarat, but this time is related to the about its but make the making and barter on sale of cut means kathechu. Cut means wood, sir. Cut means wood. Okay, so they are produced by boiling a wood from the kher tree and evaporating the resulting brew. And khatkar is also one of the 75th particularly vulnerable tribal group means PVTG. Recently, Somalia and Kenya is also in news. International Court of Justice on Somalia maritime dispute with Kenya will be deferred or postponed yet again. Look at the region first and understand what was the case. Look at this blue line and red line. Up to this blue line, the Kenya have a sovereign and claiming the maritime region, whereas up to the red line, the Somalia is claiming on the maritime region, whereas disputed region in the between these. Both are claiming on this region, and this region are hearing by the International Court of Justice. We need to identify Nairobi, Mogadishu, Lake Victoria, Jubaland, Kismayo, neighboring and its neighboring countries. Look at that. Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria is between Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania. This is Lake Victoria. Okay. So Lake Victoria border three nations with Uganda, Tanzania, and Kenya. And Kenya's capital is Nairobi. And look at that map. Jubaland. Jubaland, it is an autonomous region in the southern Somalia and largest city of Kismayo, which is situated on the coast near the mouth of Juba River. Okay, simply the UPSC may ask Jubaland belongs to which land? Okay, Somalia, which country? Recently, Kerala. Next topic. Recently, Kerala resumed a liquor sale with BVQ, means that is Beverage Corporation. So actually BVQ is an application. Simply they ask what is BVQ. BVQ is an app by which Kerala resume a liquor sale in its state. Okay, simply. Montenegro. Montenegro is the first European state and announced and declared itself coronavirus free. It is look at the position of the Montenegro. Okay, its neighboring country are Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, Kosovo, Albania. Okay, and sea is Adriatic Sea. Shall we look at map? Let's look at the map first. India, with respect to India, Croatia, Montenegro. Okay, look at its neighboring country: Bosnia, Herzegovina, Serbia, Kosovo. Kosovo is also important. It's a landlocked country. Okay, it was in news because recently India is not declaring it is an independent country. Okay, it is not a sovereign country. Kosovo is very important. Albania and Adriatic Sea. Okay. Interhamwe Militia. It is a far-righted Hutu paramilitary organization active in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Uganda, means these two countries. Okay, and are the main perpetrator of the Rwanda genocide and killed estimated around 5 lakh to 10 lakh Tutsi Tawa. They are the tribes or the citizen of the Rwanda. Okay, and moderate Hutus were killed from April in prior to July 1994. Okay, so simply I will say that Interahamwe militias belong to the Democratic Republic of Congo and the Uganda and the main perpetrator of Rwanda genocide. Look at the location: Uganda, Lake Victoria. Congo's capital is Kinshasa. Okay, not Kinshasa mentioned in the last in text. Uganda, Kampala, Rwanda, Kigali. Okay, again, Ameri Ice Shelf. Recently, National Center for Polar and Ocean Research says that there will be a 25% increase in the expansion of the Ameri Ice Shelf boundary. First, what is the Ameri Ice Shelf? Look at the figure. This, this is Ameri Ice Shelf. This, okay, this is Ameri Ice Shelf. Means extension of the ice shelf called Ameri Ice Shelf. Simply in UPSC they may ask what is Ameri Ice Shelf. Ameri Ice Shelf is one of the largest glacier drainage basin in the world, located in the east coast of Antarctica. Okay, so Antarctica is mentioned. So UPSC point of view, just look at the words. Don't be scared. Ross Sea, Amundsen Sea. Just look at the words. Okay, we read clockwise from the Ross Sea, Amundsen Sea, Bellingshausen Sea, Weddell Sea, Southern Sea, Davis Sea. Thank you so much, guys. We will soon upload next video.